I got an unboxing video for you, and it's the very first box of June. Well, I've had two delivered this morning. I've got Asos, which I'm going to show you now, and I also have Look Fantastic. So I did a poll on my Insta stories and asked you which one would you like to see this evening, and I gave it an hour or so, and yeah, a higher percentage goes to Asos. So this is what you're going to be seeing. I will be doing Look Fantastic tomorrow, so if you're curious to see what that's like, then check out my video tomorrow. So this is Asos, and this is their June box. Now, Asos surprise me all the time. I'm just starting to get into Asos, the beauty boxes. If you don't know anything about them, I will just give you a quick lowdown. So this box costs £12, and if you spend, I think it's over £30, you get postage packaging free, but otherwise it's £3. So it cost me £15 if I just wanted the box. Now they've started bringing them out monthly, which is amazing. I've had two now, this is my third one, and I have been really impressed. I'm still to do a festival makeup look with last month's box, which is on my to-do list, but I will get around to doing it. They do sell out pretty fast, and I know there's a lot of you that were like, well, what's going on, Claire? We can't find it. Where is it on Asos and everything on the website? Unfortunately, it did sell out really quick, but then in last month's you had MAC, you had Lime Crime, you had amazing products inside, so it's no wonder it sold out. But I was told to take a look at the beginning of every month, because now they're starting to bring them out monthly. Before it was sort of sporadically, but now it seems to be monthly. So if you're really interested in obtaining an Asos box for yourself, then check out their website leading up to the first of every month, or from then onwards anyway. So as soon as I spotted that they had a box, I ordered it, and then I posted up on my Facebook group. So just in case by the time this arrived and I did my unboxing video, it was sold out again. So I wanted to let some of you know that it's there. So if you want it, go and grab it now. If you're not part of my Facebook group and you'd like to be, then click on the show more that I'll bring in the description, and it'll all be linked down there. It's on every single video I upload, as will links to what's inside this box, and a link to the box if I can still find it on their website. Fingers crossed it's still available. So yeah, that's it basically. It's not a subscription, you just opt in, opt out, it's up to you. If it's there, you buy it, you don't have to. You do know what's inside it, so it's not a surprise. So they do show you, so if you fancy having a look one month and you think wow, you'll get it. But if there's some months you might think, nah, I'll pass on it this month. So it's completely up to you, which I quite like. I do love my spoilers, like my Look Fantastic. I don't know what's inside. The box is stunning. Gorgeous blue sky type box, but I don't know what's inside, so I do like that. But I think for the Asos box, it's handy to know what you do get. So I'll get on to unboxing it. You've got a little leaflet here. Now inside it doesn't tell you the cost of the items, and it doesn't really tell you about the items themselves, but I will seek them out online and I will link them down below. So if you're curious to see what they're like individually and get more information that way, then check out in the description afterwards. So you get a leaflet, and then these are your products. Ooh. So the leaflet says, ready for that healthy sun-kissed glow you only get in summer? You don't have to wait for the weather to sort itself out. Everything you need is right here in this box. Tweak your routine and add Sanoflores, pronounce that right, Aqua Magnifica and Nip and Fab's Kale Fix Moisturiser into the mix. These genius products will help keep your pores clean and skin hydrated, meaning you'll be glowing in no time. Then fake it till you make it with Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Mousse, and take it all off at the end of the day with First Aid Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter and L'Oreal Paris Smooth Sugar Clear Kiwi Face and Lip Scrub. Some Skin nailed it. So last month and the month before it is all makeup, so we've got all skincare, so it's all summer prep. This is so exciting. I can't wait to try this. So this is the L'Oreal Paris, and this is the Smooth Sugars Clear Scrub, and it says purifies, lifts blackheads, and it's self-heating texture. Just sounds a bit bonkers, doesn't it? Let's open it up and have a sniff. So that's what that looks like. I love the packaging. That's super smart. That's obviously a full size, 50 mils. Oh wow, I love kiwi. Oh, oh, that smells gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I want to lick it. Oh, it just smells like a really fruity kiwi ice lolly. Oh, it's gorgeous. That's what that looks like there. I absolutely love it. Right, because it's a scrub, I'm not going to put it on my skin, but oh, I'm planning on doing a get unready with me, so taking off my makeup and showing you the products I use and what skincare I use in the evening and stuff like that. So I might try this. I'll give it a go first, because if it doesn't suit my skin, then I don't want to be showing you, yeah, this is what I use all the time. So no, I'll give it a go first. But no, I'm really excited to try that. So that's the first item. So the second item, I absolutely adore this. It's such a lightweight, gorgeous smelling, fresh moisturiser. It's a Nip and Fab, and it's the Kale Fix Moisturiser. And I think this costs around £12. I think that's what I paid for mine. I do have a selection of moisturisers I like, but this is one of them, definitely one of them, and one of the reasons I thought, oh, I can't wait to try this box, because mine is running out. I've got a tiny one at the moment, but I did have a big one, but it's running out. So that's what that looks like there. It's just lovely, it's lightweight, it absorbs into the skin, it just feels fresh. Oh, I really like it. I do love Nip and Fab. Nip and Fab, I love quite a lot of their products. So yeah, just nice and fresh. So no, happy with that. So that's the second item. Now the third item, I had box envy when Rockerbox brought out their May box and it contained this item. I've been looking for this everywhere. I can't find a little one like this. I can only find the big ones that are like 20, 30 or £1. And I didn't want to pay that much if I knew it wasn't going to work. But when I saw this size, I thought, oh, it'd be perfect, but I can't find them anywhere. So this is a 50ml bottle, and it's the brand new Saint Tropez Purity range, and it's self-tan. And it's natural glowing skin, bronzing water mousse, which is mad, water mousse. Because normally you get a lotion or a spray or a mousse, but this is clear. So no, I can't wait to try that. That's what that looks like there. So it seems to be enough in there to do quite a bit of your body. I'm scared now. Shall I try it? I don't want a big brown blob on my hand. Let's try it. Yeah, go on then. I don't know how you do it. I have to read up on the instructions. Oh, all right. Okay, so it's like it's a clear foam. Does it smell? No tan smell whatsoever. It's just a nice fresh smell. Oh, that's nice. Because I've read that you can literally put this on in the morning, let it dry, and you can go about your day and forget that you've even got like a self-tanner on, and it just develops naturally into your skin and it leaves a nice smell, which it clearly does. I'm going to be left with a brown hand now, aren't I? But it'd be nice to see the actual, how deep the colour is. I wouldn't have thought that it would be deep. It says natural, so no, it's quite nice. I'm showing you my hand. There's nothing on there, it's gone. But no, I'm so chuffed with this. I'm so chuffed because I don't have Rockerbox anymore. So no, the fact that it's in an Asos box for June, I am so happy. So the next item, I think is a sample size of 50ml, and this is the Sanoflore, and it's Laboratoire Bio Aqua Magnifica Essence Boutique, and it's Skin Perfecting Botanical Essence. So it's essence oil and hydrosol of organic mentha perpetua, and it's for all skin types, and it's certified organic. So I've never heard of this brand before. I'm assuming an essence is like a serum. I'm going to have to do some Googling and finding out what it is, but ooh, it's quite strong, like aromatherapy smells. Oh, that's quite nice. It is quite nice, but what is it? It feels, it could be even like a toner. It doesn't feel like a serum. Maybe like a skin toner maybe. But no, I'll be curious to see what that is and see what it does. And it smells quite nice. So yeah, chuffed to that. And then the last item is, and this is a little sample, and this is a 28.3 gram tube. And it's Hello Fab Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. And it says dissolves all makeup, even long wear. It's safe for sensitive skin. So that's what that looks like there. Handy travel size. I'm going away again, and this never happens. I never ever go away this often, but I'm going to Greece in a month's time, so I am starting to save up again for like travel things to bring, just to cut down on like full-size toiletries and all that. So if I like this, I might bring this with me because I think this is fine. No, I can't smell it. It doesn't have a smell. I can just smell the Nip and Fab, the Kale moisturiser. So I'm curious to see what that's like, how it works, and if it does, I might pop that in my travel bag. I'm sweating like anything. It's typical, isn't it? I don't sweat anywhere on my body. I know that's too much information, but I do on my forehead, and it's not the place I want to sweat on camera. Oh, no mind. So these are the items in June's Asos beauty box. Now I think, considering the box is £12 and then £3 postage packaging, it's a bargain. I think it's so good. You have got definitely 2 full-size items there. This could be a travel size that you could buy individually, I'm not too sure. And yeah, these could be travel sizes as well, so I'm going to have to look into them and see. But I will put in brackets whether they're full size and sample size, and I'll find out the actual cost of it all to give you an idea of the overall cost of the box if you were to buy all these items individually. So now, again, I'm chuffed. I love the Asos box. Definitely love it, and I'm going to carry on receiving it until I look at the products and they don't take my fancy. So what's your thoughts? What do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's good value for money compared to some of the other boxes you may receive or you've seen me unbox on my channel? I'd be interested to see what your comments are. So as always, thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and it'll be Look Fantastic tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.